And we're back with more keywords and concepts from the memory chapter, chapter 8. So we're opening this slide with an engram. What is an engram? The engram is the group of neurons that serve as the physical representation of memory. So basically, when we're talking about an engram, we're trying to find the actual place in your brain where a memory is stored, right? They're actually trying to connect that to an actual biological part of your brain. So Dr. Lashley attempted to find the engram, which he did not do at all. We're getting a little closer, but it's complicated. But he did find that if one area of the brain involved in memory is damaged, another part of the same area can take over that memory function. So we're starting to figure out that memory isn't as simple and straightforward as we were maybe thinking it was. Our brains are incredibly plastic. They can do lots of amazing things if we are injured. And that's one of the things that Lashley determined. Moving on to brain function within this. So we have the main job of the amygdala is to regulate emotions, such as fear and aggression. So the amygdala is kind of, I always call it your lizard brain. It's the oldest part of our brain. It's the part that's been with us the longest. And the interesting part about the amygdala with regulating emotions is it seems to facilitate the encoding of memories at a much deeper level when that event is emotionally arousing. So if you think right now about something that was an emotional event for you, whether positive or negative, it doesn't matter. So you think about losing a loved one, or maybe your wedding, or maybe the birth of a child. Those emotions make it easier and more effective to store those memories. Okay, and then your cerebellum allows you to create those implicit memories we were talking about previously. So that's riding a bike, driving a car, doing all the things that you don't think about. Studies have found that individuals with a damaged cerebellum cannot learn new conditioned responses, which is kind of terrifying, right? So there are parts of our brain that can adjust, that can be plastic, that can do other things if it's damaged. And there are parts of our brain we really, really, really need. So my recommendation, as always, take care of your brain, guys. You only have the one. All right, I'll see you in the next video.